Okay, find the dy dx if x cubed plus y cubed equals to 3y. So find the derivative. So first, let's differentiate. So, meron tayong d over dx x cubed plus d over dx y cubed equals to 3d over dx 3y. So let's simplify. So palagi yung pinaka-exponent natin, ibababa lang natin siya, magiging 3. 3 copy the x minus 1 yung exponent, maging 3x squared plus, same din dito, magiging 3y squared dy dx equals to 3 dy dx. So, combine the like terms, yung y. So, mayroon tayong 3y squared dy dx minus 3 dy dx equals to, since ililipat natin itong 3x squared, magiging negative 3x squared. So, to cancel out, divide siya sa 3, divide 3, divide 3. Cancel yung 3. So, ang matitira lang ay y squared dy dx minus dy dx equals to negative x squared. So, we can factor out this one. Itong like terms natin from derivative, so we have y squared minus 1 dy dx equals to negative x squared. So, after nito, pwede natin siyang divide both sides by y squared minus 1. So, our derivatives is dy dx equals to negative x squared over y squared minus 1. So, ito yung ating final answer. So, dy over dx equals to negative x squared over y squared minus 1. Yan yung dy dx ng x cubed plus 3y equals to 3y. Yan. So, sana may natutunan kayo sa ating review. Ayun lang. Bye!